Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's devlog, I'm going to talk about different tutorial that I followed, and that tutorial helped me to better understand the allocations in the CPU and the GPU. And in the following diagram, you can see that the Vulkan create function and then allocate, describe and configure different structures for the created object or resource, then use it somewhere in the code, and then you need to destroy it. So basically it is used like FIFO, first in first out, stack based data structure. And as you can see here, there is frequent use of memcopy. So basically from the CPU there is data transfer to pointer that is used in GPU, and there is some functions like map memory, free memory, destroy buffer, and in the following function there are some configuration about buffers, create info, how to use that in the GPU, and different flags, usage flags, memory property flags, and so on. You can find more information on the tutorial in the description below. So next we have vertex shader, some definitions, different layouts and different locations for each layout, position, color, fragment color, and uniform buffer object with 3 matrices and their calculation here for the end result that I'm going to show later. So here we have some definitions. Uniform buffer object, the same as the vertex shader object, but defined in different file, not for the GPU but the CPU, some header file in this case. The vertex structure. Also here we have vertices and indices, just pretty simple example, and I'm going to use them inside a function that calculates in order to rotate a rectangle. So here we have the calculations for update uniform buffer, and here the uniform buffer object is calculated in order to rotate 90 degrees per 1 second, and some other definitions and calculations in order to have the end result that I'm gonna show you later. And as you can see here, there is in each frame using of memcopy to send the calculated data inside this object and inside some memory in the GPU and the end result. So let me show you the end result. It's pretty simple but very satisfying. That's all for this video. In the description below I'm going to leave the links for the different tutorial that I followed and that helped me to better understand memory allocations, memory management. Thanks for your attention. Until next time, bye bye.